Uh,
Kids, I want you to remember this. PMS is serious stuff. Causes depression, anxiety, physical pain.
And it's rough on your mother, too.
you look so cute.
I like how spiky it is. I look like Rod Stewart.
Catch up anytime, anywhere with TV Land.
These pizzas are the same, but depending on the day of the week, they aren't the same price. That's not right. So we're fixing it. Now you can carry out large 3-topping Domino's pizzas for
Yay! Whoa. No, don't eat that. Oh, Jesus. You see that? It hit him in the head. Well, of course he threw it. Oh. Oh.